Awraham was a survivor, by the way. And there's a remarkable story about Awraham. He was visiting us, and he got a chance to speak at a synagogue. Awraham was one of the children that was carried from one house to another during the Nazi occupation. And he'd always talked about he is a survivor, and he was one of the carried children. Well, anyway, to make a long story short, he did this thing at this temple in New Jersey, and afterwards he was talking to people, and a gentleman came up to him and said, you don't know me, but I was the first man to carry you. It's those kinds of things that have happened that have strengthened my beliefs, not made it easier, but made Judaism more important.